Hi there, Chris Bench, essay coach for HelloCollege, and I want to talk to you today about prompt 4 for the Common App personal statement. Reflect on something that someone has done for you that has made you feel happy or thankful in a surprising way. How has this gratitude affected or motivated you? So great topic here, one that I was actually introduced in the wake of COVID, interestingly enough. And this topic, it does have one common pitfall that people run into, and it's that students can spend too much time focused not on themselves, but on the person that they are thankful for. So a good example of this is students writing about how much they love their grandmother. She's the kindest, gentlest, most wonderful person. She's been there for them for as long as they can remember, and she makes the most delicious enter name of food here that you can imagine in your entire life. And that's wonderful, but it is very unlikely that your grandmother really wants to go to college at this point in her life. What you need to do is to use that person, that moment for which you are grateful, that act for which you are grateful, that person toward whom you are grateful, as a stepping off point to show how it has affected and changed you. So if you talk about how your grandmother is the most kind and generous and wonderful person that you've ever met, and she's always helping everyone around her, you should then extend that. That should be your intro, but then go on to talk about all the ways in which you have gone off to help other people as a result of that. How have you paid that gratitude forward? What actions have you taken in order for us to see that you really are grateful, so much so that you went out and gave of yourself back to the world around you? It's important that you be at the center of this essay, and that we see that the gratitude that you have is not just an emotion, but one that led you to go out and act in the world. Because if that gratitude, if it isn't matched with actions, it leaves us wondering just, how grateful are you really? So if you do essay prompt 4, make sure that you stay focused on how it affected you and how it went out and changed your actions, changed your behavior, changed your beliefs in the world in the wake of that gratitude, not the act itself